Guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing for the December 2024 Potomac beads box. If you're not familiar with them, this is the treasure box. And the price monthly for this, if you just buy it every month, is $39.99. If you price it quarterly, it's $34.99. So you save $60 a year. And if you price it annually, it's $29.99. So you save $120 a year. This is a beautiful monthly subscription, and there's 10 to 20 different packs of stash beads in each one. So this one is called Arctic Aqua Treasure Box. Just feel the crisp frosty wind as you open this month's treasure box. Subtle shimmers from ceylon seed beads and sparkling crystal bicones catch the light, just like the winter sun glistening on frozen landscape. Spiked beads dangle like delicate icicles, and a stunning snowflake cabochon awaits, ready to become a centerpiece of your next winter design. Let this box inspire a season of creativity and wonder. Let's see what's in here. Wow, look at these. Oh, these are gorgeous. Ooh. Limburg oval beads. These are pretty. These are really pretty. 2 whole beads. Look at the little gingerbread man. Oh. Some little crystal round beads. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, snowflakes. These are so pretty. Oh, look at these white agate chips. Oh, storm duo beads. Oh, baby blue luster. Oh, these are pretty. Czech polar bears. Oh, how cute. Okay, let's get, oh, that's pretty. Let me get everything set up. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm starting with the Athena Cast gingerbread charms. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, and they're double-sided. Look how cute they are. Oh, so cute. These would be cute little earrings. I have a Christmas market this weekend on Saturday. So I have an idea for the crystal snowflakes. I'm going to try and do the tutorial and then bring them to the market for this weekend. So next is the gemstone chip beads. And these are a white agate. Oh, these are pretty. These look almost like snow. That'd be a really pretty little bracelet. I like the rusticness of chip beads. Very pretty. And next is Czech snowflakes beads in crystal. Czech glass snowflake beads. These are the ones that I was talking about. I have an idea for these. I hope it pans out. I just left one in there. They're really cute. Look at that. Look how pretty that is, the etching on those. And then the line goes through there. Okay. And next is the Czech spike beads. These are spike beads, Aqua Opal, 5 by 13 millimeter. And they have going through the top there. You can see the line. That's how these are so pretty. And next, oh, I love these Storm Duo beads. White baby blue luster, a pack of 80. Ooh. These are pretty. Let's see, you can see how they have the little curve going on there. Lay it down there. See, they have a little curve. That's what makes them, see right there. That's what makes them the Storm Duos. Different from the Super Duos. And there's 2 holes. Very pretty. Just love getting boxes of beads, don't you? Okay. And next are eye pins. 2 inches, 21 gram, premium 99%, silver plated, 51 millimeters, a pack of 36. Let's take one out. These are really nice ones. They always have such beautiful findings when they send us stuff. They're such well-made findings. And next, these are gorgeous Potomac beads. Potomac crystal bicones, blue flare, AB 4 millimeter. These are stunning. Their crystal bicones always are. Talk about sparkly. Look at that. Oh my God, just turning that. Look at that. Wow. These are gorgeous. I love this color. Absolutely love that color. Look at that. I could do this all day. Okay. And next is Czech glass rounds, crystal 3 millimeter, a pack of 100. Wow. There's some nice packs here. I'll take them all out. Just little round ones. These are great spacers. Because even if you don't use them like with this month's box, you can use them for something else. And you can mix them with any color. I just dropped one. I thought I did. And you can mix them with any color. So you can mix these with red, you can mix them with black. So that's what's great about these kind of beads. They're a great spacer. Okay, I thought I dropped one, maybe I didn't. And next, look how cute are these Czech polar bear beads. Like, are these adorable or what? And here, the hole goes up through there. Look at these. How cute are these? They're so cute. Polar bears are so cute. They're mean too, but you gotta be careful about it. So, a Czech snowflake cabochon. Czech glass. Oh, this is pretty. Wow, look at the etching on there. Look at that. Wow. That's the other side. This would make a beautiful ring. Absolutely gorgeous. And next is a thread tamer for dragon thread. 50 meters. I think you put this around the thing and it just comes out of there, if I'm not mistaken. Like, kind of, I'm just guessing on this. And then you have the thread coming out of there. And what a great idea. I've never thought of something like this. I'm gonna have to use these. Very interesting. And next are Czech glass Q beads, turquoise blue 5 millimeter. Doesn't say how many, but it looks like there might be like, there probably could be 100 in here. how pretty these are. Wow. Very pretty. And next are the Bibo 2-hole beads in light sapphire 3 by 5.5 millimeter. And I don't know how many are in here. There's a lot in here. Doesn't say. These are the 2-hole. They're Bibos. They're a little different from Super Duos. Super Duos are rounded. These are more, they're a little skinny in the middle, and then they get a little bigger. I don't know if you can see that. These are really pretty color too. Ooh, one in there. Okay, and next, Czech glass faceted rounds in 3 millimeter. Look how pretty these are. They look like snowflakes. It's sparkling crystally. Can almost make a bracelet for me. Be a pretty little Christmas bracelet. And next is Czech glass lampwork fluted long oval cloud gray, 12 by 20 millimeters. These are really pretty. There's the holes right there. Look at these. These are pretty, very pretty color. These would look pretty with. Hold on one second. I was just going through some of my Potomac beads stuff. Let me see if I can find them. I probably won't be able to find them because I want to find them. You know how that goes. Okay, hold on a minute. I know they're in here somewhere. Okay. Let me see here. I'm just going to go through it. If I don't find them right away, I'm not going to look at them up. Oh, wait, I think this is them. Here they are. Look at these. Do you remember these Czech glass prop beads, pack of 20 from the treasure box? Look at those. I know this isn't in this month, but when I saw these, I just, look at these. Look how pretty these would look together. These are so gorgeous. These would look so pretty with these for like a pair of really pretty drop earrings. Yeah, I was going through all of my stuff when I got home. So these are gorgeous. I just remember those. I was like, oh, these look so pretty together. And next are the Miyuki seed beads, sky blue, Celion 80. I'm not going to open these up because you know what these look like, but look how pretty that color is. So pretty. Their seed beads, their Miyuki seed beads are so well made. And last but not least, I think this is a gift. It wasn't on this list. But this really pretty snowflake. It's a filigree laser cut wood ornament, 66 by 53 millimeter. And it's supposed to have a protective seal on it, but I don't see the seal on it. But look how cute it is. And you could there's a couple holes up there. You could sew beads around and throughout it. You could have something dangling. A lot you can do with this. It's really pretty. So thank you to Potomac Beads for this extra gift. I don't know if it comes in all of the boxes. I'm not sure. But this Arctic Aqua is such a gorgeous box this month. Wow. I'm so excited to be working with this. So I have a link below in the description to the Potomac Beads website, and definitely check them out. And stay tuned for a tutorial. I'm going to be using these. This is my plan. We shall see. But yes. So thank you everybody for watching, and stay tuned. I have another video coming up. I know you're going to love it. All of my information is in the description below. And I will see you on my next video, and you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing and supporting my channel. I totally appreciate it. Have a great day.